On the Library tab, you can store all your files so you can access them from any device. You can create new folders and upload STL files and G-codes. On the left side, the Explorer column will be open at all times for easy navigation. And on the top side, you can see your current location with some icons that represent how many folders, designs like STL files, and print files like G-codes are in this location. To create a folder, click on the New Folder button, type its name, and click on Create. To upload STL or G-code files, you can either click on the Upload Files button or drag and drop them from your PC. On the top right, you will see a notification when a file is uploaded. After an STL file is uploaded, it will be analyzed and a thumbnail will be generated. You can select one or multiple files or folders to move or delete them in batch. If you select multiple G-code files, you can directly add them to a printer or cluster queue. The STL files act as a folder in our cloud. This way you can organize all the G-codes that have been generated from this STL file easily. Clicking on the STL itself will give you a preview of the STL and all the generated G-codes that have been stored. You can directly send the G-codes to print or to a queue from this menu. Hovering over the information icon on a G-code allows you to see more details like the printing time and filament used. On the drop-down, you have more options like adding a note, renaming it, or checking its print history.